Alright, and here we have Voyager class Armada, Voyager class Armada Red Alert with Nikon partner Strong Arm. First of all, lights and sounds right here. Put Strong Arm here and push up towards the engine. You hear that sound. I know you hear that sound. That's a good sound. And of course, pull back. I said, okay. The spring has gotten loose, but pull back to flip out the gun, and it can launch this clampy clamp missile. And stick them right here to shoot out a pizza. Crazy little Caesars, but no one's gonna say that. Now, the paint on... Oh, I'm gonna put him off to the side. The paint on him is nice. There's there's gray, red, whole lot of white. Not really. Blue, yellow, red, silver. And yes, these are his feet. Don't know if I did it right or not, but yeah. And alright. I think there's a version of him without this, because the American Red Cross and Red Shield or Blue Shield, I don't know, but that organization, which isn't really a good one, has a monopoly on this shit. Oh well. And there's some nice bronze coloring here, and you can see some shock detailing in here too. He's a big beefy Tahoe. Yes, transforms into a 2003 possibly Tahoe or Trailblazer, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I forgot the black paint right here, but yeah, I should know because well, my mother owned a Tahoe. But yeah, here's Red Alert and Strong Arm.